Hi, I'm Jay with Roll Air Plumbing and Heating. Some things to check if your furnace isn't working. First of all, check to make sure that the power switch is on so that it's receiving power to it. If the switch is on and it's still not getting power, check your circuit breaker to make sure that that didn't trip there. Another thing to check to make sure that your gas valve is on. This is the gas valve in the on position, that's in the off position. Another thing to check would be the furnace filter. Your furnace filter may be on the side of it as well. Make sure that that is clean. If all those seem to be working, give us a call, 763-515-6411 for same-day service. Thanks, Jay with Roll Air Plumbing and Heating.